Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your theme keeps changing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, where if you set a custom setting and you notice it's changing back or it's going slideshow theme. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search lang natin yung control panel. And then click mo lang tong open. And then next step ay click mo lang tong category and then select mo lang yung large icon. And then next step ay select mo lang tong power options. Click mo lang ito. And then dito sa power options, so makikita mo dito yung selected plan. So select ka lang dito yung ginagamit mo na plan. Okay, so since Eastern yung ginagamit natin, ang next step ay click mo lang tong change plan settings. So click mo lang ito. And then next step ay dito sa kanyang settings, i-click mo lang tong change advanced power settings. So dito sa power options advanced settings, ang next naman ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung desktop background settings. So i-click mo tong plus sign para mag-expand. And then next ay click mo lang tong slideshow. So again, select mo tong plus sign para mag-expand ulit. And then dito lang sa on battery, click mo lang ito. And then click mo tong arrow na to. Dapat nakaselect yung pause. Okay? So, dapat nakaselect ang pause kapag ayaw mong automatically mag-changing yung theme. So, Windows sometimes your theme is to your background color. So, nagpipick selection siya na whatever color na most prominent sa background and offering complementary accent color sa start menu taskbar. Kaya dapat nakaselect ito yung pause and click mo tong apply and then click mo tong okay. Alright, and the other option naman na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang si start menu, so right click ka lang and then select mo lang dito yung settings. And then next step ay select mo lang dito yung accounts. And then dito sa accounts, scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung Windows backup. So click mo lang ito. And then dito sa Windows backup, so dito lang sa remember my preferences, i-select ang turn off. So i-turn off natin. Baka may naka-sign up with other device na naka-enabled ang theme changing na previously na pag-usapan na natin. So it should be turned off. Okay, ito siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-resolve ang if your theme keeps changing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.